This is the BIRDROCK Collapsible barbecue tub. This is a really great product here. I'm very pleased with this. We use this for a lot of outdoor activities, tailgating, camping, cookouts, whatever. It works great for prepping stuff inside, bringing it outdoors. You can see here it's got a nice surface here. It's about 4 inches deep. This is the extra large. It's 22 inches long. And then it's got this, this is the top here. It's got like a cutting board on here. Just does a phenomenal job. You can see here, it's really nice colors inside. And this collapses. So it collapses down when you're not using it for storage. We're just very pleased with this. This was recommended by some friends to do a lot of outdoor activities. Just very happy with it. This BIRDROCK Home is a really great brand. They made some high-end products. You can see here they just thought of everything. It's got some short feet on here, so it's just sitting nicely on any surface. If you're using it outdoors camping, it's nice. If you're using it at a tailgate and in the back of a pickup truck bed here, any place you use it, this thing is great. It always turns a lot of heads with the bright colors. And then you got this here. This is going to close up the top, and then you can also use it as a serving and a cutting board here. So this does come in other colors. We like the orange because we use this like with a Blackstone griddle, and it just matches the grill nicely. So definitely want to check this out. It's the Brick House Home. Highly recommend picking this up. Again, this is the extra large.